อย่าเอาไปคล้องหน้าบ้านเลยมีปัญหาเขามีปัญหาด้วย So as you see, they already leveled it out. They're getting ready to bring it straight down. And man, I can't wait. Because normally when I drive up on this driveway, you know, with my motorcycle, I'm not getting good traction. And you see all those little divots in there? You can knock your bike over and all that other stuff. Come on, old man. I gotta be right. So I decided to get the driveway done. This way, whenever I do get that ride, you know, I can just come on in here and have a nice solid foundation. Now you guys gotta stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm gonna give you the cost of what it costs me, and I'm gonna use ChatGPT to see if I was doing the same driveway. This is 4 meters by 8 meters, what it would cost to do the same driveway in the state of North Carolina. So we're gonna sit down, we're gonna do that, guys. So definitely stay tuned for the end of the video. It's gonna be a short one, it's not gonna be long. I'm giving y'all more of a before and after. While the baby sleeps, what I decided to do, as always, Nomad just can't get it right the first time. Take a look, guys. I decided to add a little extra oomph. So I told them to take this off as well. And now they're gonna, as you see, take it off. And they're gonna give me just a little bit more driveway. So pretty much, my amazing flowers, we're gonna have it come right up to the gate. That's where the sidewalk's gonna be. Before, it was gonna be right here. But we decided, or I decided, to go right to the edge. That way I can get more oomph with my car when I park it on here. Do you need me? Huh? Do you need me? Yeah, but that's later. Not now. Later. After. Not now. Yeah. What? One, then two. Yeah. He know he's gonna come. He already do measurement. Okay. All right, guys. So this is it. We here. The truck has arrived, as you see. They got some sand and gravel. They got the cement bags. They're getting the hose ready as we speak. Get ready to do the doggone hose. So that's it, guys. They already dropped it. We're gonna make this doggone driveway. And like I said, you stay to the end. Once the driveway is done, I'm gonna let you know how much I paid for this driveway and what it would have cost if I would have done it back home. And I'm not even gonna do New York. We're gonna use a medium. So we're gonna use actually North Carolina if I was to do the same thing in North Carolina. It's time. Moment of truth. They're getting ready. They're gonna put it together. I'm super excited. We're getting there, we're getting there. Let me do that drone effect like I like to do. So it's coming along. Don't worry about the divots. They're smoothing. They're gonna come back and smooth all of this out. But you notice they use rebar, right? And this is the cool thing. Don't sleep if you notice, we got 3 guys and 3 women. What I like about Thailand is everybody works. When it comes to construction, everybody, nobody's holding signs. They're actually doing work. But guess what? I got one for you. So I got my son here. He came because he wanted to see it. So what do you think about the honeycomb hideout?
Let's get in there. Get in there day by day.
Day by day, right? Then we got Miss Uganda here. She was in my first TikTok. Come on, put your head up. Say hello. What do you think about the honeycomb hideout? It's not. Don't be shy. So you like what you see so far?
Yeah.
You can see yourself hanging out here once it get ready and all that good stuff? Yes. So she'll be hanging out at the honeycomb hideout from now on, guys. Y'all be seeing some more of her. But y'all need to follow her on TikTok. She do a whole lot of TikToks all over the world. I've known her for 3 years. But let's get back onto this. So yeah, when I put this camera on again, hopefully we're gonna wrap it up. They should be done. I cannot even get out now because I'm locked in, guys. Check it out. I'm locked in. My motorbikes is done for the day. They're gonna be locked up for about 2 days. And I'm just gonna wait for all this finished to come together. And I believe they come back tomorrow. They smooth it out. And I gotta give it 2 or 3 days before any cars or motorcycles are on this baby. So yeah, so I'm excited. And like I said, I'm gonna show you the end and then I'm gonna give y'all the prices. So stay tuned. I will give you the price of how much this cost me.
Yes.
All right, guys, this is another view of the driveway from where I normally get some sodas and teas. And this fine lady right here, one of the workers, actually bought me a soda. Sadika? Ah, thank you. Mm-hmm.
100 baht.
Really? You buy for me, yes?
Yes.
Okay, come. 25 baht, right? 20 baht? 100. I like you. You got jokes. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Kap, thank you. Kap. All right. Y'all see that? I just got me a soda. We're gonna wrap this video up. Well, how about I'm gonna show you how the ground while they finish it up. Take you around here. And then I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna give y'all guys those numbers you've been waiting for. So this is the view. This is the view. We got the grate right there. So they stop right at the grate. And as you see my man up top, he's doing that rough edges. No, they don't do the lines in the States. I was asked that about 5 times. They don't do. It's just one thing. I know it may swell and might get some cracks, but hey, it is what it is. We got to make it happen, Captain. So with no further ado, let me take this camera, go inside, and give y'all the numbers of how much all of this cost me. The video.
Yes.
So we out here, guys. This is the finished product. Let me give you that zone view. Or drone view. There you go. This is it. Anything you want to say to the people? You want to say anything to them? What, y'all hard worker? What, y'all do this what, all the time?
Yes. First, all time.
Cement, y'all do. How many jobs you do 1 month? Many?
Yes.
Oh, y'all always working. Always the same people together most of the
I
time?
have more.
Oh, you got more? Oh, wow. Okay. Well, this is my new driveway, guys. I gotta get y'all those numbers. Check that out. Wow. Yes. Hey, camera. Don't drop. Pick it up. Don't drop. Don't drop. Hold. Okay. Show here. Yeah. So they can see. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. So that way they can see here and then what it look like inside. Yeah. She's amazing, right? Okay, bring. Don't drop. Bring to me. Don't drop. Okay, thank you. Y'all know I always gotta give me camera people. So there we go. Okay, yes. And please. Or rock I get later. And you said 24 hours.
Yeah.
24 hours. I'm gonna wait. I'll wait 2 days before I drive on it. Okay. Oh, and they leaving me my own water supply. How you like that? Now I can water my flowers. All right, guys. So now we're here. This is the moment we've been waiting for. So you actually seen the doggone driveway, and we're gonna get down to the numbers, see how much I paid for it, and we're gonna do a comparison. We're gonna use North Carolina, right? Medium income, let's call it that for now, and versus spending the same amount in Thailand, and we're gonna see how much it costs to actually pave your driveway 4 meters by 8 meters. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try something. I'm going to use my chat GBT. Hopefully on this new mic, his voice is going to come through and we're going to see how much I was spending. Hey, Mr. Bartholomew, Brooklyn Nomad here. I'm going to do a deep dive in a concrete driveway estimate. And I want you to give me your numbers and I want to do a comparison versus Thailand and the US. Are you ready for that?
Absolutely, Brooklyn Nomad. I'm ready when you are. Let's crunch those numbers and see what that driveway is going to look like on both sides of the world.
All right. So my driveway is 4 meters by 8 meters. And my question is, let's use the state of North Carolina. Let's call it Charlotte. If I was getting a driveway put in by, some contractors for labor and materials, what would that cost me roughly?
In North Carolina, a concrete driveway typically costs around $5 to $9 per square foot for a standard finish, or up to about $10 to $15 per square foot for more decorative or reinforced work. For budgeting, you might aim for $8 to $10 per square foot. The final cost depends on thickness, finishes, and local labor rates. Let's factor in your exact area next.
All right, so let's go with Charlotte, North Carolina, and give me those numbers in Thai baht and also in dollars, and what that total labor would be. And what they did is, I'm gonna call it a brush finish.
All right. Your driveway is 4 by 8 meters, which is about 32 square meters. That's roughly 344 square feet. Now, if we go with around $8 per square foot for a basic brush finish, that's about $2,750. In Thai baht, at roughly 36 baht per dollar, that would be about 99,000 baht total. So, roughly $2,750 or just under 100,000 baht for that Charlotte brush finish driveway.
All right, okay. So let's move this over to Thailand. So in Thailand, if I did the same driveway with the labor and all materials, roughly what would that come up to?
In Thailand, a concrete driveway might cost roughly between 1,000 to 1,500 per square meter. Since your driveway is 32 square meters, that would total around 32,000 to 48,000 baht. This is significantly lower than the estimated 99,000 baht cost in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Okay, and what would that be in dollars?
If we take that range of about 32,000 to 48,000 baht and convert it at roughly 36 baht to the dollar, you're looking at about $890 to $1,330, much lighter on the wallet.
Oh, wow. So about $1,000. All right, so what I actually spent was, I spent 14,000 baht for the 4 by 8 meters. And then I did, let's call it a 1 by 3 extra meters. And he charged me another 2,500 baht. So in total, how much was that did I spend in baht and also in dollars?
All right, so you have 14,000 baht for the main driveway, plus 2,500 baht for that extra bit. That totals 16,500 baht. If we convert that to dollars at about 36 baht per dollar, that's roughly 460 US dollars. So that's your full spend.
Wow. All right. So break it down for me. Again, give the people the number in dollars and what it would have cost in Charlotte, North Carolina. Then give them the numbers that you said it would cost just for in Thailand. And then give them the numbers of what I actually paid, all in dollars.
All right, let's break it down clearly. In Charlotte, North Carolina, the estimate for that driveway would be about $2,750. In Thailand, based on the general range, it would have been about $890 to $1,330. Now, what you actually paid was around $460. Quite the deal, right?
Oh my God, that's definitely the deal. I'm ecstatic. So if I even did that $1,300 and you say I paid four, let's just round it up to $500. That means I got another $700 to do another project with.
Exactly. With that difference, you got about $700 freed up for whatever your next project is. Sounds like you're building momentum and saving while you're at it.
All right. That's all I got for the people. Y'all heard that. So from Bartholomew, I did a big savings. I only came out to actually 16,500 baht, which was roughly about $479. Hey, Brooklyn Nomad, since Bella's not here, take it home for me. Tell the people don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and keep watching the Nomad and all of his adventures.
You got it, Brooklyn Nomad. All right, folks. If you love these savings, the projects, and the adventures, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe so you can keep rolling with Nomad's journey. Plenty more adventures and deals are on the way.
So with that, guys, all I can say is Brooklyn Nomad, Nomad Travels. Hey, travel with me. I hope you enjoyed this driveway. We are out of here, guys.